Hi, I'm Angelique. I am the program manager for Aliyal and the director of programs at KSPATH. Aliyal is Kuwait's first nationwide marine conservation initiative developed by ENVI, which is an organization promoting social responsibility in the Arab world. And KSPATH is the implementation partner of Aliyal. What Aliyal does is it protects areas in Kuwait, shorelines in Kuwait, in three islands, Al Maradam, Kubbar, and Garo, which are natural nesting ground for migratory birds and for turtles. So we see a lot of biodiversity in these areas. Unfortunately, we also see a lot of land-based, indirect and direct man-made waste, mostly plastic and styrofoam, which has detrimental effects on marine ecosystems. Now, Aliyal's objective is to gather volunteers from different organizations. They could be organizations like KSPATH, environmental groups, non-profit organizations, members of the media, colleges and universities and schools to come out on a weekly basis every Friday and Saturday and clean up the beaches. We have a set methodology for waste collection. We follow very high safety guidelines, and it has turned out to be very educational for those who get involved in it. Most of the waste that we see on the beaches and the shorelines are land-based waste. So littering and lack of civic responsibility when it comes to waste management at a personal and at a community level has contributed a lot to the waste that we see on the beach. Like I said, most of the waste we see is plastic and styrofoam, and a lot of it is generated by the residential areas and the commercial properties around these sites. For example, here we have an amusement park, we have residential block. A lot of the waste that we also find is related to commercial fishing activities. We see a lot of what we call ghost fishing nets along the shoreline, which means these are nets which were once used for fishing and they were either abandoned or discarded, and a lot of species which were not intended to be caught in these get trapped as a result and die. So a lot of fishing equipment which we see along the shorelines. Well, there are several ways that people can get involved. Aliyal has run a multimedia campaign throughout 2011. We have a website, www.alyal.com, that's ALYAAL.com, where you can register for cleanups. Yeah. You can also join Aliyal's Facebook page. You can join KSPATH's Facebook page and our Twitter accounts, where we're constantly posting about the updates and the amount of waste we've collected and the sites that we will be cleaning. Apart from that, we proactively go out to different clubs, societies, universities and schools, and we conduct a presentation on marine conservation. In October, we visited about 7 schools in Kuwait, private schools, and we've spoken to about 2,000 children about the importance of marine conservation. And as a result, you have schools like AIS today coming out here to clean up the beach with us. So a lot of community engagement. For one, we hope to see cleaner beaches, because a lot of these beaches which we're focusing on, like I said, are very fragile marine ecosystems. We've seen species like mudskippers, a lot of migratory birds, flamingos, herons, black-winged stilts, most of which are rare and endangered. We've seen several species of crabs, like we've seen the horned crab, the ghost crab, the sentinel crab, the blue crab. And these are species which our volunteers have seen during cleanup, so they can directly establish the impact of waste on species which live in the ecosystem. So we hope to clean up all these sites. We hope to see lesser waste there. We hope to see greater civic responsibility by the wider community. And we hope to get more people involved.